Quickly and securely attaches a flagpole to your ATV, motorcycle or UTV. Unique design makes flagpole installation and removal easy by a simple twist of your wrist. Flag holder is made with 6061 aluminum and features a laser-etched logo. 2 sizes to choose from. Holds flagpoles securely. When out riding, you want to make sure that you are seen by other riders. Mounting a flag to your machine gives other riders knowledge that you are on the dune hill, on the track or trail. Flags come in all different styles and designs. So get out and ride and have some fun, but make sure that you have the right tools like your flag. Top reviews from the United States. Looks great, easy to install. This bumper was purchased for my 2022 Polaris General, 2 seats. It took about 20 minutes to install. I had to remove 2 self-tapping bolts from the bottom rear of the bed. I reused these bolts rather than drill out the holes to accommodate the supplied bolts. They are long enough to accommodate the bumper and still attach to the bed securely. This bumper looks fantastic on the General. It follows the angular lines of the body. It will help protect the rear exhaust. It also gives, in my opinion, a much more finished look to the rear of the UTV.